Babylist Pro Barberology Apron, black. The water-repellent Babylist Pro Barberology Industrial Barber Apron has zippered pockets to help stylists organize their tools of the trade and a PVC base to help keep clothing clean and dry. This 3-pocket industrial barber apron holds your styling tools while protecting your clothes from salon chemicals. Use the Babylist Pro Barberology apron to hold clippers, shears, styling products and hair accessories. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.